Hi, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here today at the Community College of Philadelphia, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm going to show you how to make low-carb melted cheese crackers. Let's get started. This recipe is great, so it's really simple to do and a great way to impress a crowd. I have 1/3 cup of regular Parmesan cheese. You can use any hard grated cheese you have, so it doesn't matter. So there we go. In here I have 1 tablespoon of crushed walnuts. Any crushed nuts is fine. There we go. Gonna add a pinch of salt. The cheese is still pretty salty, so we don't need too much. And now I have sesame seeds. You can leave this out if you want. I really like the texture of the sesame seeds when they start to toast. So we're gonna do about 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. Perfect. So pretty simple. You just got your cheese, your salt, your nuts, and your sesame seeds. So we're gonna mix that together. Now let me show you how you're gonna put this together. I'm gonna take a pan. Bigger pan the better, you want room to work with. This pan is really big, so anything you have at home is fine, and you can do this in batches, so if you have a smaller pan, that's okay too. Some olive oil, we're just gonna coat the pan pretty well with the olive oil. You are melting cheese, so you don't want it to stick. Now we're just gonna make sure the pan's well coated. Beautiful. Now all you do is you take your cheese mixture, actually you can use your hands, and you're gonna make little tiny piles and kind of spread them out and keep them really spread apart. Kind of think about making like a silver dollar pancake. And of course, this is a great gluten-free alternative to a chip. It's just protein, no carbs. You can also do this with like a mozzarella cheese if you've got like leftover cheese from making pizza. It does the exact same thing. So that's exactly what it looks like, all spaced out. Perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the back, I'm going to stick out in the stove. It's going to be maybe 30 seconds on each side. So 30 seconds, you're going to see the sides start to brown and bubble. You just flip it. 30 more seconds, you take it off and you let them cool. Don't walk away. Watch this recipe. If it burns, it's over. And that's all you have to do. It's just melted cheese crackers. So again, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here today at the Community College of Philadelphia. And that's how you make low-carb melted cheese crackers. Enjoy.